Hello students, today we are going to start our section 4. 4.1 History of English Drama on page number 128. Okay, we have to understand the meaning of drama, the term drama, and for that we discuss about the introduction. You know that very well that sometime when our friend exaggerates or overreact, then we say that you are very dramatic or how dramatic you are. It means we use adjective form of the word, that is drama. देन इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज ड्रामा. तो ड्रामा का मतलब क्या है, तो इसमें दिया है हमें, जैसे देखो, ड्रामा इज परफॉर्मेंस. ड्रामा इज अ परफॉर्मेंस विच इज इसेंशियली लाउड, exaggerated and larger than life. It is the performance which is essentially loud and exaggerated. Drama is a performance, it is a performance, then it is exaggerated and it's larger than our life. It is an audio. There are different type of definition in this passage or in this introduction. Okay, what is drama? It is an audio visual medium. Drama is a audio visual medium. The theater, the audience sitting around in front of, close to, or in the last row of the theater should be able to hear and see the actor on stage. Okay, drama is audio visual medium, and audience sitting around the stage, and the audience can hear and see the actor on stage. For example, stage whisper is far louder than the whisper in real life. A stage whisper is far louder than whisper in real life. When we whisper in real life, then it is a very slow, but on stage it is very louder than whisper in real life. This would be an example of willing suspension of disbelief. It can be defined as willingness to accept the unreal. Okay, we can also define the drama as willingness to accept the unreal. Unreal जो होता है उसे accept करने का willingness, that is drama. It may also mean sacrifice of realism and logic for the sake of enjoyment. Okay, if we watch the drama, we also sacrifice our realism and logic when we watch the drama, when we observe drama, then for the sake of our enjoyment. Okay, it means when we observe drama or when we see drama, ड्रामा जब हम देखते हैं तो हम हमें रियलिज्म, व्हाट इज रियलिटी एंड व्हाट इज लॉजिक, दैट वी शुड असाइड इट beside us. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज फॉर द सेक ऑफ एन्जॉयमेंट. अगर हमें एन्जॉयमेंट लेना है, हमें एन्जॉय करना है, तो व्हाट इज फैक्ट, व्हाट इज रियलिटी एंड व्हाट इज द एंड आवर लॉजिक, वी शुड कीप इट असाइड. हमें वो बाजू में रखना पड़ता है एन्जॉयमेंट के लिए. द टर्म वॉज कॉइन्ड बाय द पोएट एंड एस्थेटिक फिलोसोफर सैमुअल टी कॉलरिज. सैमुअल टी कॉलरिज एक फिलॉसॉफर है, एस्थेटिक फिलॉसॉफर है. एस्थेटिक इट का मतलब बोलेंगे की सौंदर्याचा आस्वाद घेणारा, ज्याला म्हणता येईल सौंदर्याचा आस्वाद घेणारा तो एक तत्वज्ञ आहे. कोण? सॅम्युअल टी कॉलरिज. अँड term was coined by poet and aesthetic philosopher. He is also poet and aesthetic philosopher. Who? Samuel T. Coleridge. The term often applies to the fictional works of the action, comedy, fantasy and horror genre. Okay, the term often applies to fictional works. fictional it means काल्पनिक. काल्पनिक जब भी ड्रामा किया जाता है तो इसमें क्या किया जाता है? फिक्शनल वर्क होता है. फिक्शनल वर्क किस चीज का? एक्शन, कॉमेडी, फैंटेसी एंड हॉरर जेनर. ओके, जेनर दैट मीन्स टाइप ऑफ राइटिंग, शैली. शैली जिसे कहेंगे मराठी में. It refers to willingness of the audience to overlook the limitations of medium. Drama is medium of expression. It is a definition of the drama. Drama is medium of expression whereby, whereas the story, एक second, drama is medium of expression whereby performers express themselves artistically. Okay, drama is a series of expressions and the performance express themselves artistically कलात्मक रीत्या वो खुद को express करते हैं. That's why it is the medium of expression. We can say that drama is medium of expression. The performance is based on the script which is in the form of dialogues, whereas a story or a novel is written in the narrative form. Okay, story and novel is always written in the form of narrations. in the form of narration. It means it is narrative form. Novel and story is narrative form. On the contrary, the drama is in the form of dialogue. Okay, there is also script, and in that script there are various types of dialogues are there, and we can say that drama is written in the form of dialogue. ड्रामा डायलॉग के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है, और जो स्टोरी और नॉवेल है वो नरेटिव फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है. ओके. पोएट्री इज लैंग्वेज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन रिदम एंड मीटर. मीटर दैट मीन्स क्या कहेंगे, जैसे कि राइम मतलब यमक साधना, और मीटर दैट इज द छंद और वृत्त. मराठीमध्ये आहे अक्षरगण वृत्त, है ना, मानदार मानदार क्रांत वगैरे. तसं इंग्लिशमध्ये सुद्धा काही मीटर्स आहेत. these are the poetries. Poetry is a language expressed in rhythm and meter. Poetry is also language, but it used to express itself in the form of rhythm and meter. Novel and story is written in the form of narration, and drama is written in the form of dialogue. That is the difference between three. Okay. Drama is a specific mode of fiction represented in performance. Specific mode of fiction. Fiction कल्पना जिसे कहेंगे, है ना, फिक्शनल वर्क्स, दैट इज कल्पना रिप्रेजेंटेड इन परफॉर्मेंस. ड्रामा इज अ स्पेसिफिक मोड ऑफ फिक्शन. कल्पना है और वो परफॉर्मेंस के द्वारा रिप्रेजेंट की जाती है. A play, opera, mime, ballet are performed in the theater, on radio or on television. Okay. A play एकांकिका जिसे कहेंगे, ऑपेरा संगीत नाटक मराठीमध्ये आपण हे शिकतोय, माइम मुकनाट्य, बैलेट नृत्य नाट्य जिसमें नृत्य के द्वारा नाटक किया जाता है, एक्सप्रेशंस किया जाता है. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रामा जो है वो परफॉर्म किए जाते हैं थिएटर में और फिर रेडियो और टेलीविजन में भी. Okay. In short, what can we say that? We say that drama is a medium of expression, and it express themselves by artistically. Thereafter, the performance is totally based on the script, and the script is written in the form of dialogue. Whereas the novel and a story is written in the form of narration. Okay, in the narrative form. Then poetry is written expressed in the form of rhythm and meter. There is a difference between drama, novel and story, and poetry. Okay. In short, what can we say that drama is medium of expression which is performers express themselves artistically. Okay, that is drama. Thereafter we can understand what is the meaning of drama in the form of definition. ड्रामा शॉर्टर ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी में जिसका मीनिंग दिया है ये इस तरह का है. ड्रामा इज अ कंपोजिशन इन वर्स और प्रोज टू बी एक्टेड ऑन अ स्टेज. ओके. ड्रामा एक ऐसा कंपोजिशन है जो वर्स या प्रोज में लिखा जाता है एंड स्टेज पे उसे परफॉर्म किया जाता है. in which story is related by means of dialogues and action and is represented with accompanying gesture, costume, scenery as in real life. Okay. Drama is a form of composition in verse and prose which is acted on stage, which is performed in the form of on stage, and there is a story also, and that story is related to the dialogues. Story is related by means of dialogue, and this drama is accompanying gesture, costume and scenery in real life. That is called drama. तो ड्रामा इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्स और प्रोज. ओके. ये डेफिनेशन की गई है शॉर्टर ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी में. देन ग्लॉसरी में क्या कहा गया है देखो. ड्रामा इज अ कंपोजिशन डिजाइन फॉर परफॉर्मेंस इन द थिएटर in which actors take a role of characters, perform the indicated action and utter the written dialogue. Okay. It is the form of prose, but it is the composition which is designed to perform on the stage in theater, and actors take a role as a character. They perform just as indicated action and utter the written dialogue. आया समझ में. ड्रामा एक ऐसा कंपोजिशन है जिसे स्टेज पर या थिएटर में परफॉर्म करने के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया है, जिसमें एक्टर्स अपना रोल निभाते हैं, कैरेक्टर्स को निभाते हैं और परफॉर्म करते समय वो एक्शन जैसे उनको इंडिकेट किया गया है वैसे एक्शन करते हैं कृति करते हैं और वही डायलॉग वो बोलते हैं जो ड्रामा में लिखे गए होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रामा. अ ग्लोसरी ऑफ लिटरेरी टर्म्स बाय एच एम अब्राम्स. Okay, this is called drama. Thereafter we can understand the elements of drama. What are the elements of drama? There are different types of elements. There are 7 elements in drama. Plot, characterization, we discussed in the next passage about these elements of drama. First of all, we have to only understand there are 7 elements of drama. Plot, then characterization, dialogue, setting, stage directions, conflict, and theme. These are the main important element of drama. Okay, then we will discuss what is plot, what is characterization, what is dialogue, etc. There are 4 closely related areas. The focus are the focus of the scene, the focus of the audience, the focus of the characters, and the focus of the actors. Okay, scene, audience, characters, and actors. In a combination of this we can see that it is drama. सीन होता है, ऑडियंस होती है, कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं एंड एक्टर्स होते हैं. व्हेन दे एक्ट टुगेदरली देन वी कैन से दैट इट इज ड्रामा. The objectives of the drama. What are the objectives? Understand and after studying this unit you will be able to, ये यूनिट पढ़ने के बाद हमें क्या समझ में आएगा? अंडरस्टैंड एंड आइडेंटिफाई ड्रामा एज अ जेनर ऑफ द लिटरेचर. जेनर ऑफ द लिटरेचर, ये एक लिटरेचर की शैली है, एक घटक है, ये हमें समझ में आएगा. Learn the definition of drama. What is drama? We can understand about it. Explain the difference between drama and other forms of literature, because there are different types of different forms of literature, and drama is one of them. But there is also difference, the form of literature and drama. There is a difference. We can understand while we learn this unit. Explain the basic elements. Explain the basic elements of drama. We can also explain the basic elements which are given as in plot, characterization, dialogue, settings, stage directions, conflict, theme. These are the basic elements of drama, and we can understand this after learn this unit. Understand the types of drama, then we can understand the types of drama. There are different 3 types of drama. 3 types of drama: tragedy, comedy, and tragic. द ड्रामा ट्रेजिडी, दुखात्मक, जिसका जो लास्ट या एंड है उसमें ट्रेजिडी हुई होती है, दुखात्मक उसका एंड होता है. कॉमेडी, जिसमें कॉमेडी का और ट्रेजिक कॉमेडी दोनों का भी कॉम्बिनेशन है, एक थर्ड. ओके, तो कॉमेडी के भी 5 पार्ट्स हैं: रोमांटिक कॉमेडी, सेंटिमेंटल कॉमेडी, क्लासिकल कॉमेडी, कॉमेडी ऑफ ह्यूमर, कॉमेडी ऑफ मैनर्स. ओके, दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ कॉमेडी ड्रामा. The drama is classified into 3 types. First is the tragedy, second is comedy, and third is tragic comedy. And comedy is also classified into 5 parts: romantic comedy, sentimental comedy, classical comedy, comedy of humor, and comedy of manners. Okay, then we will discuss in next period the elements of drama in detail. Okay,